If you've been dreaming of a proper outdoor space, somewhere you can actually enjoy your backyard without getting rained on, sunburned, or eaten alive by mosquitoes, this video is going to make your day. Today on LivedInReviews, we're doing a real lived-in look at the JolyDale 16-foot by 12-foot Metal Patio Gazebo. And I have to say, once this thing goes up in your yard, your entire relationship with your outdoor space changes. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly whether this is the right gazebo for your home. And trust me, for most people watching this, it absolutely is. First impressions and what's in the box. So, let's start from the beginning. This gazebo ships in 5 separate boxes, and heads up, they may not all arrive on the same day. So don't panic if you see a partial delivery. What you do get inside is everything you need to get this thing standing. The main frame components, a double roof galvanized steel top, side curtains and panels, mosquito netting screens, and all your anchor and mounting hardware. The only thing not included is your foundation materials. So if you're planning to bolt this down to a concrete pad or deck, make sure you sort that separately ahead of time. First impressions of the materials? Solid. The powder-coated aluminum frame feels substantial without being unnecessarily heavy. And the finish has that kind of clean, weather-ready look that tells you this isn't a flimsy seasonal piece. It's built to live outside year-round. Feature breakdown. Let's walk through what actually makes this gazebo worth your attention. The headline feature is that double roof design. And it's not just there for looks, it genuinely does 2 things well. First, it dramatically improves structural stability, especially against wind load. Second, and this is something you don't always think about until you're sitting under a gazebo on a hot summer afternoon, it creates a natural airflow channel between the 2 roof layers that keeps the interior noticeably cooler. The galvanized steel roof panels are rated to handle serious weather: heavy rain, snow accumulation, strong gusts. So this isn't something you're scrambling to dismantle every time a storm rolls through. The aluminum frame itself is built around a triangular structure, which is an engineering choice that pays off in long-term rigidity. Powder-coated finishes on aluminum are always a good sign because they resist scratching, peeling, corrosion, and rust far better than painted steel alternatives. In real-world terms, this means you're not going to be repainting or touching up this frame year after year. It just holds up. Expansion screws are included for anchoring, which adds an extra layer of reassurance if you live in a windier climate. Now let's talk space, because at 16 feet wide, 12 feet deep, and 10 feet tall, this is genuinely a large structure. JolyDale says it comfortably accommodates 10 to 14 people, and based on the footprint, that's believable. You could run a full outdoor dining setup, a lounge area, a kids' party layout. This isn't a 2-chair coffee situation. This is a proper outdoor room. That 10-foot ceiling height also matters. It prevents the enclosed, cramped feeling you sometimes get with lower-profile gazebos. And it gives you room to hang overhead fans or string lights from the built-in top hooks without anything feeling cluttered. The netting and curtain combo is one of the most practical parts of this whole package. The 180-gram polyester curtains are substantial enough to actually block wind and retain some warmth when evenings cool down, while also giving you real privacy from neighbors. The mosquito netting, meanwhile, lets you keep the sides open for airflow and views while keeping insects completely out. A feature that sounds minor until you're trying to enjoy a summer evening and you're not being swarmed. The combination of both options means you can configure this space differently based on the season, the weather, or the occasion. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real about this, because that's what LivedInReviews is here for. On the pro side, the size-to-price ratio on this gazebo is genuinely impressive. You're getting a hardtop, permanent-style structure with premium frame materials, full curtain and netting coverage, and a design that can realistically stay up through multiple seasons. The double roof is a legitimate differentiator. It's not just aesthetic, it's functional. Assembly instructions are numbered and step-by-step, which takes some of the stress out of a project this size. On the flip side, this is not a solo weekend project. The sheer size of this thing means you'll want at least 2 people helping during assembly, ideally 3. The 5-box shipment arriving at different times can also slow down your build day planning, so factor that into your schedule. One thing to keep in mind if you're installing on grass: You need to use the included ground pegs and wind rope. Skipping that step is a stability risk. And as always, with a permanent hardtop structure, make sure you're good with your HOA or local regulations before you commit. Who this is perfect for? This gazebo is an ideal match for homeowners who want a permanent outdoor living extension, not just a seasonal shade solution. If you host regularly, family gatherings, weekend barbecues, birthday parties, the footprint and head count capacity of this thing makes it a natural fit. It's also excellent for people in mosquito-heavy climates where netting isn't optional, it's necessary. Families with kids who want a defined outdoor play or hangout space will get a lot of use out of it too. If you've been putting off building a proper outdoor room because a full deck edition feels too expensive or permanent, this gazebo hits a really smart middle ground. That's the full lived-in reviews breakdown on the JolyDale 16x12 Metal Patio Gazebo. And honestly, if you've been on the fence about leveling up your outdoor space, this one makes a compelling case. The affiliate link to grab this is down in the description, along with current pricing. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find honest reviews like this one. Subscribe to Lived-In Reviews if you haven't already, because we're out here testing the products you're actually thinking about buying. And drop a comment below. Are you setting this up on a deck, a patio, or going straight into the backyard? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.